Good afternoon, my friends. What did we have here? We have a big toolbox there full of tools, and I've got a very nice big socket set here, and then some towing rope there, a WD-40 carb cleaner, and inside the bag is a lot of smaller tools and racks and so on. So what are we going to do? We're going to recover a Volkswagen Golf 1 that sat for about 6 months, but the aim is to drive it home because it needs a new clutch. But at this point, the bracket of the gearbox is already removed. So I need to put the bracket back, the gearbox in place, and then put the starter in and a battery, and see if it will run. And then I will bring it back home for a clutch replacement. So I've got there some towing rope in case it will not start. So I have no idea what the condition of the engine is or the gearbox. All I know, it needs clutch, and somebody removed the bracket of the gearbox, so it sits very skew engine in the car now currently. So I have to jack it up. I've got the jacks all in the car already, this going in, and I'll bring you along tomorrow if it does not rain. So look out for that, my friends. See you. Bye bye.